Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain how to compare two columns data by using VLOOKUP function. In this worksheet, I have data in two columns, column A and column B. First, I will check the data which exists in the first column and doesn't exist in second column. Here I am writing VLOOKUP function, VLOOKUP. This function consists of four functional arguments. First one is lookup value. So here I am considering A2 cell as lookup value. Thereafter, coming to table array, I am considering column B's data. You can select as per your requirement. Next I am freezing the rows. Press F4. Coming to column index number, here I am mentioning as 1. Next, I am mentioning as 0. Here, application returned as NA. NA means not available. Apple data which exists in column A doesn't exist in column B. So, in column B, Apple data doesn't exist. Double click on fill handle. Here application returned the output. Grapes and pineapple doesn't exist in column B. Hence application returned NA. NA denotes data exists in column A but doesn't exist in column B. Next I am using IFError function. If error if error happened, application has to consider no data. Close the bracket. Double click on fill handle. Here we can find if data exists, application return the lookup value. In case data doesn't exist, application returned as no data. Now let us extract the values which are available in second column but doesn't exist in first column. In this case, here I am using VLOOKUP function. Coming to lookup value, I am considering column B's data. Next, for table array, here I am considering the data which exists in column A. Thereafter, here I am considering column index as 1. Next, I am mentioning as 0. Here watermelon exists in second column and first column also. All these NAs represents to data exists in second column but doesn't exist in the first column. Next I am using IFError function. So here we can find the output. In this way, we can compare two columns and extract the output by using VLOOKUP and IFError functions. Thanks for watching.